Hi parents and caregivers, today we're showcasing the Pomelo Best Diaper Bag Backpack, designed for ultimate convenience and style. This large capacity bag measures 16 by 8.27 by 12.6 inches and includes a portable changing pad and built-in stroller straps for hands-free ease. Made from tear-resistant waterproof fabric, it offers durability and comfort with thick cushioned shoulder straps and reinforced back pads. The bag features 2 big compartments and 18 pockets, including 3 front zipper pockets and elastic side pockets for wipes and bottles. Its multifunction design allows wearing as a backpack or handbag and attaches easily to a stroller. The neutral austere gray color is stylish and perfect for any outing or baby shower gift. Stay organized and comfortable on the go with this versatile and practical diaper bag backpack. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.